the other. They look exactly alike. Here's what I learned. If that last candle points in the wrong direction, you probably are going to have a losing trade. Get out of it sooner. Now, I should have cut this at the HMA, but I didn't. I took a tick lower because I figured the stop would work. Same thing yesterday. Did the same thing yesterday afternoon. So what did I learn from these two trades? What did I learn? What did I learn? Both happened at the top of the zone. Both pushed to the bottom of the zone. What did I learn from those trades?
Wait for the bottom of the zone.
Nope. I wouldn't necessarily say that. What is not present? What is not present in these two trades predominantly that I like to have present? Look, no, don't worry about the stochastics because stochastics were there. Look at the candles. What is not at
HMA.
the bottom of these candles? The wicks. The wicks I like are not there. So next time you see Brian talking about getting in a W like this, say, "Hey, Coach Brian, there's no wicks," and guess what I'm going to do? The strong price. That's it. Who's DPT Gun? Are you new? Oh, what's up, David? How's it going, buddy? Been a long time, man. So yeah, you don't get the wicks. What do we like? I like the double wicks or triple wicks. All stop at the same price. Didn't get that on either of these. That's what I learned from these trades. And then price action didn't finish at the end of the trade the way I wanted to finish. So two signs for me to say cut this trade or don't get in it. One, I didn't get the wicks I wanted. Two, so you think I'm going to learn from this? Is the point I'm trying to make. We are open. All right, here we go, guys. Sorry. Do you think I'm going to learn from it? Would be the last thing I'd say. Better bet your bottom dollar I'm going to learn from that. It's not going to happen to me again. Yeah, sell signal only open. Sorry about that, guys, but I figured it was better to learn from what you did wrong and fix it for the future. So I always talk about wicks to you guys, and I missed out on those two trades. And I'm like, okay, don't do that again. Yeah, everybody's human. We miss things. It happens. Everybody. Did anybody short that on the open? I know we didn't call it, but I'm assuming somebody did. That has permission to short that into the open. Guessing that a few people that are more advanced did it. You did late. That's fine.
I'm on
Nope,
top
that's
of my
fine.
head.
Okay, you're on top of your head. You're listening to Boss Hogs Aliens. All right.
And
I don't know how late you are, Scott, but you got to probably use 27, 25 right now as your stop. There you got it. Okay.
that's
I've
you.
and I got three more people that probably messaged me, so we got five people in short right now.
It's in the short
Probably
on the
gonna pay for it.
YM down to 261.
Yeah, everybody's flat now.
Not me. On the
On the
YM.
ES.
We'll be here in a second. Flat. Okay. First touch on your YM. Didn't even take it.
Yeah, I'm forming on the ES, but
Target's
be,
off.
be a little patient on the M, guys. Let it turn around again. And if it doesn't, good call on the first touch there, Boss Hog. Now, you can probably do a midpoint on a bigger M there, guys. Just confirm this wants to go down more. on the ES. Or if you want to jump the gun, you could do that. But I don't think this is the environment to jump the gun on. Let it confirm that it wants to go down. I don't think any other entry on the M's in the near term, other than midpoint entries, would be prudent. Fair enough, guys. You guys got that? Don't think any other entry on the M's other than midpoints would be prudent at this point. And it does. I mean, the M's have been paying, so watch for them. The M's have been paying since the push down. This almost created an M in itself here. If it had more bars, it would have created an M. So, but I think the midpoint is the only one you really take, right? Everybody knows what I mean by midpoint entries on the M's. Is there any questions on that? Speak now or hold your peace until next week and be in the Premier Clubhouse and we'll talk about it. You do have questions? Everybody's got it? I'm not sure. All right, midpoint, Stefan. So let's say you get a bigger M like this for me. You're looking at my ES chart. Let me spread this out. Ridiculous. You get this bigger M forming here. See what I'm talking about there, Stefan? Okay. So your midpoint entry would be a tick below that lowest point right there. So something like 29. We like to do the early midpoints. I mean, if you called this little M here earlier and you got a good midpoint entry, you still got targets off. So your midpoint on this one would be right here, right? At 39. That still gets your targets off. So in the bigger M, the midpoint entry would have been. So these midpoint entries, especially in a directional market like this, again, another one right here. M, bigger M, midpoint entry would have been somewhere right around 32.75 if you guys want to get in, and you would have had targets off down on this bar.
Got it. Thank you, sir.
And there you guys get targets off if you took it. Thank you, Stefan. Because they're going to play hooky with your stops here until they rally back up to where are they going to rally to back up to? They gave you guys that price earlier too. Where should they rally it back up to? 44. Yes, 42 to 44. Good job, guys. Thank you, Westy. So much blood to clean up. It's like a horror show in the hallway. Blood was all over the tail, blood all over the wall. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be graphic here. It's just crazy. Miss Gracie got cut this morning on a piece of tin, chasing a squirrel. Be nice. She's at the vet right now getting stitches. I feel bad for her. She got gashed open pretty good. Pretty good. It was a deep wound. Yeah, she took it like a champ though. She's a tough little girl. Are we up to 44 yet?
No.
I don't want to take these sell signals, guys. But if you're scalping, scalp these little tiny M's. But if you're not, just wait. Let the price rise up. Just let it rise up. They'll slam it down again. You'll get one more chance on the short side, guys. Yeah. I know, D Nice. She's such a sweetie pie too. Feel bad for her. Saved her from. She ate a bunch of rat poison at the farm one time. Saved her life that time. This little dog's had her life saved like 3 times by me. Drag the vertical axis on the chart to make the vertical range bigger. My candles are going off the bottom of the chart. Is there a way to drag the candles up
I think
to the middle? Up. You can
Patriot.
use the F to do fixed range or control. Just hit control and hold your left mouse down, and you can drag your chart around.
Or Patriot, if you click on your candle, if you look at mine, you just click on one of these candles and they all light up. Then right click, go to properties, and
Guys,
then you can center them all. They'll stay in the center.
we watched class yesterday. Who's in class? What pattern did we just complete? What pattern did we just complete, guys? You got
Come on,
look.
come on. Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, you got it, Patriot. Good. Everybody else that was in class, what pattern just finished? Hey, good job, guys. Who noticed that? I told you guys I wasn't gonna call it out. I was gonna get you guys to call it out. I'd call it out after the fact. Did any of you guys notice that during the fact? I told you during class I wasn't gonna call 1, 2, 3 reversals out. I was gonna make you guys do it. You can watch me trade them when I'm saying in mine and not worried about my dog. But I would have traded this if I wasn't looking at messages about Miss Gracie. I would have definitely traded this. And this is a perfect example of class yesterday too, guys. Like it can't get more pretty than this.
Went straight to 642.
We're almost up to that 44 area.
It went to 42 and 10, bounced off.
So you could have shorted from there. Sorry, guys, I missed that. Look at that. If you want a screenshot of what that pattern should look like, guys, think about it. Here, what if you miss one trade to learn another thing that could make you way more money in the future? How about this? What if you miss this one short to learn this? Is it worth it? Yes or no? I would say yes. So take a screenshot if you're in class, because this was textbook, what we talked about yesterday, textbook. If you want me to open it back up for a screenshot, let me know, guys. Screen computer, you have the same charts I have. You put in your notes from class yesterday. All right. I gotta jump off for a minute, guys.
I got a dog that's snoring over here. And one that's running around because she had
Dog that's snoring.
yeah, he's snoring, and the other one's running around crazy with her eyes rolled back because she took his seizure medicine.
All right, guys. More advanced people can start looking at a breakdown trade
Yeah, it's
or
starting.
breakout to the downside
Consolidate. Yep.
here in probably the next next minute or two, next few minutes. Let's see, probably in about 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. You'll see a opportunity to sell this again. Should right now in 7 minutes from now.
Might make it about 40, about 45 before it breaks down. Right, 46.
This is probably about the area we should see a reversal coming from. Maybe like a 9 tick or a tiny little M here. Probably look at it. I'll put that on as well. This is where I'd be willing to take a shot from.
Me too. I like this right here. Yep. Bingo.
This guy in here.
Oh,
A little sell stop in. See if that M
Oh.
finishes. If it doesn't, cancel the sell stop. If
I'm
it
in.
does,
Target's off
Yeah,
already.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm target's
I
off.
knew you were in early.
Yeah, I got in at the top of that W.
Who'd you get in there?
Excuse me. I got in at, what is that? 45 exactly.
I was going to say it's 45 or 45.25 is probably for
Yeah,
you.
45.
Where did I get in at? I got in at 40.
Now watch this one not break down.
Yeah, now this is going to get me. Oh, well. Oh, well. That's okay.
Yeah.
No big
All
deal.
right. Well, I'm not going to get back any more money. Let's just be
No
patient,
big deal.
guys. Let's just be patient. All right.
That's trading.
My goodness. What the heck? 4
Yeah,
losing
you got
trades
strong
in 2
support up
days.
there around
You guys
51.
go. Well, I've had my winners have far exceeded my losers, but still, I must stop doing that, guys. I must stop. Stop. No more losing trades the rest of the week. I've hit my quota. Hit my quota. All pod got his targets off.
I got my
I
targets
was-
off. Yeah, mine's
I was trying to do a
break
midpoint
even.
entry.
I did a break even on that one. That's fine. It's going to set up again, I think.
No, it's
Yeah,
going to definitely
there
set
it
in.
is.
I'm going to
There it
skip
is
the one that's a
again.
runner. That's a
And
tiny little
come
M
on.
there.
Come on. Oh, man, this is tough.
Well, they should start selling it at some point around here.
There we go.
They should
Come
have
on.
started selling it before now. So somebody's just playing games. And let's make sure they have taken it back to any significant level here.
There you go. Target off.
Yeah, somewhere around this area, they should start selling it.
There you go. This is going to be the one. Come on.
And then
Nope.
at 10 a.m., we should see a little bit better, a little bit more of a actual direction on this thing. So I'm gonna be patient here. Wait till about 10. Or let's just wait till Powell. Yeah, 10 Eastern. It's all sunshine and rainbows.
Once again,
Yeah.
a break even trade. Huh. That's it. I'm not trying it anymore.
Yes,
I'm done.
my
Powell in 15 minutes. Okay.
Let's not take any chances until we get some really clean stuff here. I would probably say let's wait till Powell. To be honest with you guys. I've had enough excitement for one morning, and I'm not going to give back money. I need to let the guys over here know. Everybody in the grid room should have racked up money on that.
Yeah, my grid's up 260 in micros on the NQ. Or the MNQ, excuse me.
All right, everything's rolling over now.
Yeah, if I finally want to start selling it again. I'm still waiting until after Powell, people. Just so you know, I'm not going to take another losing trade. Can I guarantee that?
Yeah, don't trade anymore.
Probably. I give you like I think probably a 99.4% guarantee. How about that? Is that fair enough? Is that fair? I sent him in the grid room, Lincoln. I meant to change a couple ones this morning there.
Yeah, I put mine in there too, Lincoln. They're in the alerts section of the grid room.
Senor, yes. See. Born free market, nice, Stefan. Great job. Guys, again, 10 years ugly. Yes. I was looking at that too, Westy. Ladies and gentlemen, Hookem, did you take the long reversal? Did Hookem take the long reversal? If you did, fantastic. Did you see it? You saw the 1, 2, 3 reversal and took it? Point I'm trying to make is, were you actually paying attention to class and you did it? Is that a yes and a yes?
Or did he take that W? That was a nice little W.
You did it. See? Sits in class for one day, sees the 1, 2, 3 reversal, takes it, and has a runner on his hands. You're still long, I'm assuming, then, right? You're like probably $1,500, maybe $1,200 on that trade. Wild guess on my part. I'm gonna tell you that Hookem. This is where he got in at too. I don't even have to tell you guys. Hookem got into the long at somewhere around 39.25 ish. $18.60.
Wow.
What? How do you get 18.60?
Yeah,
Just
where are you
crazy.
getting 1860 at?
25.50? Oh, let's look at this. Jiminy Christmas, dude. Nice. Are you still long? He said, yeah, he
That's
said he's
huge.
still long. Wow.
Huge.
Nice.
Huge.
That's huge.
Wow.
That is huge.
What a trade, my friend. Thanks for telling us. Huge. Yeah, so that next
beat me
zone
to it, boss.
looking for. Somebody said 60. Momentum stochastic zone. Hey, look, dude, way to go.
All three. Yes,
I know what he's doing. He's following the rules I set in place for him.
He's making huge money doing it.
He's doing well.
Who
That
said
little
60? I think
that
Westy
little
said
talk
60.
helped. Yeah, 60, 60.
Good
60,
job,
60.
Hookem.
Yesterday's.
I still can't get enough of this. We had maybe a 2-hour conversation before you came on board, Hookem. And I kept telling you that this would change your life, your trading life forever.
Professor Coffee Session.
Hey man, these rules work. This guy is a living testament,
If
people.
you just follow the rules, they work.
These rules work.
I know that's hard to believe, but it's true.
Well, we got 5 minutes
Session.
until Powell speaks. I got 5 minutes to fix a cup of coffee.
Yeah. Everybody grab coffee or whatever before Powell speaks. Do it fastly.
What's he speak at
I
10?
told you I'm not going to do anything. Lady, a little lady luck from Grace.
Yes, always Lady Luck from Grace.
Should have known she was calling freaking short. This crazy as she was going this morning. She wouldn't get off me. She kept jumping around on everybody. I was like, I don't want to front run news, but kind of the trading dog jumps on you all morning. You're like, she's screaming short, I think, right? Why you got, there's an informant on the YM from his own. Again, I'm waiting until after week 10 o'clock, guys. We've had some excitement. I know there's some people that are red out there. Trade dog for the win. I should just pay attention. I know there's some people that are red. I've already gotten the messages. Coach Paul probably has too.
Actually,
All
no,
right.
believe it or not, I haven't got any today.
Okay, well, I've gotten a couple. Guys, don't get caught here. Don't get caught
they're
in
going to
the
you now.
hype.
Just chill.
They're going to me now.
Yeah, just relax, chill.
Don't like this. This was exciting this morning. Yes, you saw me make some money 3 times in a row, make decent money on 3 trades. Don't get caught in the excitement. Remember, what's the rules for our? Should we review before since we have 2 seconds before the rules for trading? The rules for trading news. Should we review those since we had a perfect news setup this morning?
It was a great
For
news
that?
setup.
This is why I was able to go by muscle memory and just press the sell button several times. Nice job, Travis. Great. Keep your green, Travis, please. Anybody else want to review the news trade since it set up perfectly this morning? Other than Justin. Give me a few people.
Travis.
Let him drag it out. Got to get used to. Hey, Travis is green though. Let him keep it.
Yeah, but he knows
We're
what
gonna
he's
work on
doing.
it.
He knows what he's doing wrong.
All right, we got Scott, Hookem. Anybody else other than Scott, Hookem, Justin want to review the news trade? If you guys don't want to, I'll do it privately. Scott Hubbard, Scott, Hookem, and Travis.
Do it. I want to know how to trade it.
All right. Only because David's back. David Gunn. You know we've known of each other for a long time, right? I don't know if you remember that. Quite a while now, right? Okay. I was just making sure, buddy. Just making sure. Glad you put it in all caps just to smack me around a little bit.
Slap him around.
All right, guys, you have an initial move. You have an initial move. David's my buddy. Like David. So you have an initial move. This bar had the retracement. The same bar on the initial move had the retracement, push back up, push down. Advanced people take the second move. So there's an initial push, there's a retracement, and then the second move in that direction, advanced people take. I ended up taking a third one in that direction this morning just because I saw it setting up. And as soon as that wick hit, I got in as fast as I could on the short side. So I ended up taking the third move. Now, those moves are only for advanced traders, people with bigger accounts. You don't do those with prop accounts. You just don't do it. But then there's usually a swing that retest. It doesn't. Don't worry about stochastics in a move like this. Okay. All you're worried about is a hook down in stochastics. There's going to be a move that retests, and then there's going to be a move that typically retests the initial move. It does it to almost a T, guys. Okay. You get some wicks and a sell signal from there. You press the sell button as fast as you can. Now, this trade, the second move is for people who are already consistently profitable. They can take that trade. Everybody else who's not consistently profitable, you wait for the third wave, the third swing. That's going to be the easier trade for you guys. Okay? That's that simple. That is our news trade. Advanced, bigger accounts, more advanced people know the risk they're taking, can take the second or third move. The more consistent people who are consistently profitable can take the second swing. Okay, you can take the second swing, and then everybody else who's struggling to be profitable, you take the third swing because that tends to be the least volatile swing. Okay, that's our news trade. It's that simple. Advanced people, bigger accounts. Consistent people, everybody else. And then you follow the rules from there. You got a nice little first touch rule. Somebody called that. Nice little short there. And then I think you guys had one we missed here on this. No, somebody called this short, right? Yeah, somebody called this short. And then Hookem took the bottom there and took off with it. So just that's the news trade, guys. Be aware of that. And it started breaking down. So I did call the breakout trade for advanced people on the downside. Did anybody do that? I called that a while ago. All right, thank you, Dave. Anybody do the breakout here that I called like 30 minutes ago or however long ago? Back here when it started, somewhere like in this area, I was like, hey, watch for the breakout on the downside, 9:50. So what time is it?
It's 10:01.
10:01. Again, like I said, I was waiting for after Powell to start speaking, but you guys didn't have to. That's just me. I'm not telling. Again, at the end of the day, guys, you got to realize I'm your guide. I'm not reaching through the computer pressing the buttons for you. I can't do that legally, and I can't tell you to take the trade legally. But what I can do is urge you to follow instructions. But at the end of the day, if so this breakout's in some of your trade plans. Okay, so if somebody says they're in it, I'm not going to argue with you. I go back to yesterday afternoon. I love the fact that every single person in that trading session participated. And then we get to this main session, we have 150 people and 10 people participate. We had 26 people in yesterday afternoon and 20 people participated. We need the participation, guys, to know what you're thinking, where you're at. I can't give you the best guidance without that. Is that fair enough to say? And learn to understand country. I cannot give you the best guidance if I don't know
Learn to speak country.
what's going on with you, and learn to speak country.
That's right.
Yeah, you don't have to speak it, just understand it. I think it's on like the Google Translate app now. I think it's, yeah. All right. She won't be up
There she goes.
until this afternoon. She goes, but she should be perfectly fine.
She's going down.
And again, everybody knows that there's no question on what I was doing grip wise, guys. You guys know I've held that short the whole time, so
Got my stop
it got me an average fill price up to 48. So I'll take this little move down. Again, but there was no real proper trade set for you guys here, right? And we don't want to guess in front of Powell. And I said I didn't want to do anything in front of Powell. I just left my other side net short because, well, that's what the market told me to do today. Let it rally up, get some more target, get some more, load the boat a little bit more, and start selling them off on the way back down. I don't think Powell's going to change that too much.
No.
What's he going to say?
He's going to say it's transitory.
Country, Scott. All right, Lulu, have a good one.
Bye, Lulu.
See ya, Lulu.
That's what I do is babble, PBR. Oh, you're talking about the app babble. stars. if shoe fits, advanced people should be short though, for real. Everybody else, just be patient. Guys, how many times have we skipped on 10, 20 points to rack up another 10, 20 points? There's a short signal from the breakdown.
Same as YM.
I was about to get I was just about to say the same thing, Boss Hog.
Should be targets off YM.
Nice, Travis.
Targets off on ES. Just let
If
it
you did
roll.
44, I wouldn't go too tight just yet. But this thing's going to keep going down. I'm trying to find out where this thing stopped before on the way up. 41.75 at least, Travis. 42. Okay, that's probably okay. You're just going to get erratic price action here because of somebody speaking. But yeah, 42 is fine then. That's the best you can do right now, at least. Stand behind the S2. Oh, got you. I knew that was what they're going to do this. And then they're going to push it back up a little bit. You're getting another sell signal here in just a bit. Here's the one thing that worries me about this, guys. I'll go back to this daily chart again. Why can't they get past the center of that thing? Why can't they get past this area? What is holding that there? That just kills me. Maybe somebody on the team. Like I said, you get another sell signal right there. Nice, Travis. I said you guys are going to get another sell signal. I don't know if anybody did it. I literally called that out before it happened. They're going to push it up, give you another sell signal right at S2. Did I say that? Pretty sure I said that, right?
Yes.
Did I say that?
Something close to that.
Did I do that?
It was something close to that. Come on. You had to be quick with the trigger on that one, though. So I won't call that an official trade call then. This one can't go below. This one can't go below 36. So you're gonna get another sell signal here in a second, guys. Probably.